How to block an account on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to block account on TikTok. If someone bother you or annoying you on TikTok, all you need to do is block his account. Is never gonna show up again. So first thing, go to your TikTok. For example, I'm gonna click on inbox and choose a profile like this one, and click on those 3 points up there. Now I'm gonna click on block, and this will prevent them from seeing your information on TikTok. Confirm. And now I have blocked this account. So it was so easy. You can do this with any account bothering you on TikTok, or comments like inappropriate comments on your videos. So this is, guys, hope this video was helpful to you. And if you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.